Today, we are going to talk about often confused words in English. Because of and due to. This is very important for you to know, especially in choosing the right one to use in a sentence or in speaking. Sometimes we are often confused which one to use. So, the question is, can we use both expressions interchangeably? And how can you tell which one to use? In this video, I will explain to you the simplest way to understand how they are used in a sentence and in speaking. Because of and due to are both used to express a cause and effect. Example: the game was cancelled because of rain. The cancellation was due to rain. As you can see, these two expressions express a cause and effect relationship. So, in a cause and effect relationship, something has happened because something else happened first. And that's what these two expressions are used for. But we will not be focusing to that. Instead, we'll try to see when to use them in a sentence. Now, have you found any difference in the usage of both expressions? Yes, you're right. Because of is used with action verbs, and due to is used with linking verbs. Let's look at the first example. The game was cancelled because of rain. We use because of when it is preceded by an action verb. And in this sentence, our action verb is cancelled. The cancellation was due to rain. We use due to when preceded by a linking verb. And our linking verb here is was. So you must remember that in choosing the right one to use, we have to consider what comes before it. Now let's test your retention. Let's do this interactively. Tell me if the sentence is correct. Okay? Number 1. My fitness is because of regular exercise. Is this sentence correct? No, it isn't. It is preceded by a linking verb. That is why we use the expression due to instead of because of. Number 2, her headache was due to excessive watching movies. Is this sentence correct? Yes, it is. Because a linking verb comes before it. Easy, right? Next. School was cancelled due to the weather. Is this sentence correct? No, it isn't. The action verb cancelled should be followed by because of instead of due to. Okay, so let's proceed to the last one. The car crashed into the traffic light because of bad brakes. Done? Okay, so you might be confused because of this intervening phrase, or what we call the prepositional phrase right here. But if we try to omit this phrase, that would be the car crashed because of bad brakes. As you have noticed, the sentence is much simpler now and still understandable even without the intervening phrase. So, can you now tell me if the sentence is correct? Obviously, it's correct. And now it's your turn to comment your own example sentence in the comment section below.